Welcome to the Stoic Tide. Before you hit send, delete that text right now. You're here for one reason. You're in pain and you want her to feel just a fraction of the regret you're feeling. You're searching for that one magic combination of words, that one text that will make her stop in her tracks, clutch her phone and think, I made a terrible mistake. And I'm going to give it to you. But I have to warn you, it's not what you think. And 99% of guys get this completely catastrophically wrong. By the end of this video, you won't just have the text, you'll have the power. And the crazy part is, once you have that power, you might not even want to send the text anymore. If you're ready to stop being the one who's hurt and start being the one who's missed, stay with me. Let's be honest right now. You feel rejected. You feel invisible. Your ego is bruised. Your heart is broken. And you're living in this fog of confusion. You reread old messages. You check her social media. You're looking for any sign that she's as miserable as you are. And that urge, that physical urge to text her is overwhelming. You think that if you can just explain yourself one more time, or show her how much you're hurting, or maybe even make her a little jealous, she'll snap out of it and come running back. You want to send one of these 3 texts. Number 1, the beggar text. Please just give me one more chance. I'll do anything. I can't live without you. Number 2, the angry text. Fine, go. You'll never find anyone who loved you like I did. You're going to regret this. Number 3, the passive-aggressive text. Hey, just saw that picture of you. Glad to see you've moved on so fast. I'm telling you right now, sending any of those is like pouring gasoline on a fire you're trying to put out. You are not just making it worse. You are cementing her decision. You are confirming to her that she made the right choice by leaving. Why? Because all of those texts come from a place of weakness and attraction. Respect and regret are never ever born from weakness. Before I give you the text, you have to understand this one core shattering principle. She will not regret losing the man you are right now. The man who is broken, needy, and waiting by his phone. She will only regret losing the man you are capable of becoming. Regret isn't created by a text message. Regret is created by your absence and your growth. When she broke up with you, she had a story in her head. That story was, I am leaving this man and he is going to be a wreck. He needs me more than I need him. This is the right move for my future. Every needy text you send, every sad song you post, every time you accidentally like her 2-week-old photo, you are proving her story right. The only way to make her regret her decision is to change the ending of her story. She expects you to be broken. She expects you to chase. Your mission starting today is to do the one thing she never saw coming. Disappear. This is where the real work begins. This is where 99% of guys fail. I'm talking about true no contact. This isn't a game. This isn't a 30-day rule where you mark off a calendar like a prisoner just waiting to text her again. This is a philosophy. This is you deciding that your life, your mission, and your mental health are more important than one person's validation. You're going to take all that energy, all that focus you were pouring into her, and you're going to pour it back into the most important project you will ever have. I'm not talking about just hitting the gym. That's the baseline that I'm talking about, a total rebuild. First, your body. Yes, the gym. Go get strong, eat clean, fix your sleep. When you look in the mirror and respect the man you see, your entire energy changes. You walk different, you talk different. Second, your mind. Read. Read books on finance, on philosophy, on your career. Listen to podcasts that challenge you. Stop consuming junk media and start feeding your brain. Become more interesting, more intelligent to yourself. Third, your mission. Get obsessed with your purpose, your career, your business, your art, your studies. A man who is lost in his mission is the most attractive thing on planet Earth. He doesn't have time to wonder what she's doing because he's too busy building. Fourth, your life. Reconnect with your friends. Go on that trip you put off. Learn that skill you always wanted to learn. Start living a life that you are genuinely excited to wake up for. You are not doing this for her. Let me be clear. If you do this to get her back, you will fail. You are doing this because the pain of the breakup has revealed a truth. You abandoned yourself in that relationship. This is you coming home to you. Weeks will pass, maybe a month, maybe 2. You will be a different person. You will be stronger, calmer, more confident. Your life will be better. And that is when your phone will buzz because you disappeared, because you didn't beg, because you changed the ending of her story. She's now the one in doubt. Her story of he's a wreck without me is being challenged. She'll check your social media and see nothing. Or worse, she'll hear from a mutual friend that you're doing great. The vacuum you created by your silence has forced her to act. She'll send you the feeler text. Or hey, how have you been? Or happy birthday, and this is the moment. This is the test. All that work, all that discipline. It all comes down to your reply. The text that will make her regret losing you isn't one you send out of the blue. It's the one you send back. So what is it? It's not angry. It's not cold. It's not a long paragraph about how much you've grown. It's polite. It's positive. And it's indifferent. Her, hey, how have you been? The text you send, hey, doing really well, thanks, life's been exciting. Hope you're doing great too. Her was just thinking about you. Hope you're okay. The text you send, appreciate you reaching out. I'm doing great. Super busy with new project lately. Hope all is well with you. Let's break down why this is a psychological atom bomb. Doing really well. / life's been exciting. This is the kill shot. It's positive. It's confident. It's the exact opposite of the man she left. You're not okay. You're not getting by. You are thriving, thanks. / appreciate you reaching out. This shows you're not bitter, you're not angry, you're mature. You're so far past the breakup that you have no ill will. This calmness is incredibly powerful. Hope you're doing great too. This is the final nail. It shows you genuinely wish her well. It's a sign of total emotional detachment. You are not her problem anymore and she is not yours. What's missing? You don't ask her a question back. You don't try to keep the conversation going. You are not seeking her validation. You are giving a polite statement. And you are gone. You have just communicated in 2 short sentences that your life has moved on and improved without her. That is the text that plants the seed. That is the moment she will put her phone down, stare at the ceiling, and for the first time the story in her head will change to, did I just lose the best man I'll ever have? The secret is the text only works if it's true. You can't fake doing really well. You can't fake life's been exciting. You have to live it. The power isn't in the words on the screen. The power is in the man who is typing them. She didn't regret losing the guy who was begging for her in the DM. She regrets losing the man who emerged from the fire. The man who is now strong, confident, disciplined, and indifferent to her. By the time you are strong enough to send that text, you might find you don't even care about her regret anymore. And that is the ultimate victory. The goal isn't to make her regret. That's just a side effect. The goal is to build a life so damn good that you never regret a single thing. The goal is to become the man you are proud of. Stop focusing on the text you're going to send her. Start focusing on the man you're going to become. If you're done being the guy who sends the desperate text and you're ready to be the man who gets the I miss you text, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below with one thing you're going to do for yourself this week. Not for her, for you. Let's get to work. Stay stoic. Stay blesses, and thanks for watching.